Hi, Bridget Somerville here, first team real estate agent, and I'm here today with Fidel Navarro from Homeowners First Mortgage. He is the in-house lender here at First Team in our Yorba Linda office, and we're here today to talk to you about what it takes to buy a home in today's market. And sometimes that can seem a bit overwhelming or daunting, and there's a lot of different variables that you have to take into account. So Fidel has 3 really great programs that he's going to highlight for you today. And the first one is a 3% down payment program. So let us know about that.
Yes. So the 3% down payment program is a great program for first-time home buyers. It does require home buyer education, which is a benefit in my opinion, because it helps first-time home buyers know everything that comes with a home. That a lot of times no one knows until all of a sudden something happens and they're like, oh wow, and then they learn from that and you know, and so on and so forth. So the program does help you understand what it takes to own a home and a lot of things that come with it. So awesome program. It also there's the myth of you need 20% down to buy a home, which you really don't. You only need 3%.
And that's something that can really be daunting for people, is thinking I have to save all this money before I can buy a house. But with a 3% down payment, that can get your foot in the door and you can start building your wealth and equity.
Absolutely, absolutely. Awesome.
Really great option, really great option. Okay, and the second program Fidel's going to tell us about today is the self-employed option. And this can be really hard for some people that may be like a hairstylist or truck driver or contractor, even real estate agents. We have a hard time qualifying because our income looks a little bit different on tax returns. So he has some great ways to help you out if you're self-employed.
Correct. So if you are self-employed and we cannot use your tax returns, the other options that we do have are bank statements. So we can use your business bank statements that show all the income that's coming in, no tax returns required at all. And then the other program that we can use is 1099. So if you have one company that you normally work with, but you are a outside contractor for that company and they pay you with 1099s, we can use 2 years of 1099s as your income. So that eliminates tax returns altogether.
As long as you can show the income, right?
Correct.
All right, great.
Correct.
Okay, and so another thing that happens a lot in today's market is the interest rates have creeped up, and so the buyers look at that bottom line monthly payment and think, oh no, I can't afford that. So there's something called a rate buy down, and sellers are willing to help buyers in a lot of instances because they want to sell their house. And so this is a really great option for both buyers and sellers. So tell us about the rate buy down.
Right, so the rate buy down is the seller can actually pay for the buyer to lower their rate down. So when they get kind of close, maybe they find the perfect home and they're just outside of the debt to income ratio, let's say, and the seller's willing to help, then they can help each other, and the seller doesn't have to lower the price, you know, for the home. The seller can, the buyer can buy the home at the interest rate. If you just drop it just a little bit, then that could be enough for them to qualify for the loan, and it's a win-win situation for everyone.
Yeah, it makes them more comfortable every month. You don't want to be like at your last penny every month, and the seller ultimately gets the bottom line that they want for the house. It just costs them a little bit off at the end to buy down that rate, and so win-win, like you said.
Absolutely.
So, thank you so much to Fidel at Homeowners First Mortgage for helping us out today and finding solutions to your home ownership. So let us help you get started on your next real estate adventure.
Bye-bye.